everyone, welcome back. This is part 5 of the story, part 5 of the series of video. Okay, what we've done is, in the earlier class we've put spaces. Okay, we can delete the spaces. I show you an easier method to delete spaces. Okay, we've created spaces, we renamed it, done it in an alien method. I would like to ask some of my alien students to give me the answers, how John had done it. Okay, I'll teach you a method where to delete a space. Okay, you can click this and delete. Okay, that's a good method. He says you are deleting. I said fine, thank you. Okay, is there any other method? There's a method of creating schedules. Okay, I will teach you how to do it. Anyhow, so far we've created schedules and everything. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to place lightings here. Okay, so we are in the power plan. 1 minute. Okay, let's suppose we want to add lighting. Okay, because as per the standard or the requirement that each room, based on its application, for example conference room, have some X lux requirement. Okay, because based on that you will design the number of lighting fixtures in that given room. Okay, so similarly each room has his requirement. Okay, now what we will do is, we have power here, right? We want to do light. So what we will do is we create one more sub-discipline. This is the main discipline. It's called the sub-discipline. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just show you one easy method how to do it. Just create duplicate. Okay, I'm just going to create level 1. It's the same level 1, same view, but I want to create it instead of power. I want to create it under what is that guy called? Lighting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select that, name it. Where is my sub-discipline? Okay, sub-discipline is blocked. Good, no problem. View template. Okay, is there an, oh, beautiful. Click that. Say here, welcome. Good. Okay, I hope you understood what I did. So I just delete this. Level 1, level 2 and level 3 all under the lighting, okay, which we wanted. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to, in the sense, make one field so we can manually enter each room, because this is different for different countries. Okay, so what I will do is I will make one, I'll show you a method. Okay, how to add one extra variable here, some variable here. Okay, in the space, let's say in space, mechanical flow, blah blah blah. Okay, lighting calculations. I will add one more field. Okay, where where I can enter the desired or required lux. Okay, so for example, see, average illumination is 0 lux. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add for each space one, let's say, variable, and then we can add it. Like for this conference I require so much, for a lounge I need so much, okay, corridor I need so much, office room. So in that way I can design the appropriate or the number of lighting fixtures in a given room, isn't it? Or Revit will help me to do that. Okay, so maybe in the next part I'll show you how to do it in this part. Okay, so what do I do is go to there is Analyze tab. Manage tab. Create a project parameter. Okay, I need it to be sub. You can add a sub-discipline project. I want it to be under electrical. Okay, it should be under illuminance, isn't it? Photometric. Electrical lighting. Okay, I will call him required illuminance. Okay, this would be the instance parameters. Okay, what's the difference between instance and type? It's instance property, instant properties and type properties. Can you tell me the difference between, if you don't know, no problem, just think about it and just give me in the comments, John, I do not know what's the meaning. I will help you, don't worry. Okay, we want spaces, right? Because when we click spaces, we want it, so just click somewhere S, spaces, okay? So it will be under this category, everything looks fine. Okay, everything looks good. What we can say, required elements or required lighting level or whatever. Required elements is fine, or lighting level, it doesn't matter. Okay, how much I need light to be in the given room. Lighting level, okay. Light full font. Lighting level, electrical elements, looks fine. Okay, this looks good. Say okay. I need it to be, yeah. Okay, now what we will do is we can just check what we have done. This is a space. Under lighting, can you see our friend required lighting level, which we have done just now? Lighting spelling looks perfect. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. So sorry. Make bigger. Yeah, so here I can add a value for it. Okay, so maybe in the next class or something I will bring a copy of the standard or the requirement as per the standard. We will fill in a schedule and we move forward from there. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed part 5 of this beautiful electrical course which one of my students had requested. We see each other in the next class. That's part 6. Okay, I have a couple of questions which I've asked in this class or in this session. I would like you to give me your answer on that. Okay, so till then, let's keep moving forward and we see each other in the next class.